Going to the start again with the next rider. This is Jerome Capel from the helicopter shot from France as he makes his way out of the start. His team car just behind him. The last 7 riders now to start. This is Jonathan Castroviejo of Spain. 10th in 2014, going through the tunnel to that sound of the cowbells as he gets underway now. A member of that Movistar team who took the bronze medal in the team time trial. He was 6th last year. Mallory is a very good time trialist. The pre-race favourite in most people's eyes takes to the start ramp. This is the Australian rider, twice a world champion of the team time trial. This is Rowan Dennis. Can he now win the world title for the individual time trial? He looks focused and he looks ready. Now he needs to translate the focus into some speed. Rowan Dennis goes down the start ramp and gets underway. Kirienka then, a member of Team Sky, rolls down the start ramp for Belarus. 3 stage wins in the Giro d'Italia. Here we are then. This is the rider who in the last 6 years has been on the podium every single year. Tony Martin, beaten by Bradley Wiggins last year, but his record in this event is second to only Fabian Cancellara. Tony Martin, the winner of 3 years running, 2011, 12 and 13. He says he's learned from last year. Is he now going to win this gold medal? Tony Martin about to roll down the start ramp. He broke his collarbone, of course, in the Tour de France. Has that affected his build-up? I doubt it. He's a strong rider, isn't he? Here he goes. Tony Martin is underway. All 70 riders are now underway in this individual time trial. But this is the man that we've all been talking about. This is Jerome Capel of France. You can see that he's on a very good day right now. Rides for the YAM cycling team, and the comparison point is he's 1 minute faster than Biablowski to this point. He's had a few seasons maybe in the wilderness, but he just rode the Vuelta a España. He rode 19 stages. Jonathan Castroviejo races through the second intermediate time split, and Castroviejo is second fastest, 31 minutes 48.57, just 4 seconds down now on Jerome Capel. Oh, problem here, and this is Rowan Dennis. A problem for Rowan Dennis out on the course, and he's having to have a bike change. The mechanic very, very fast to give Rowan Dennis a new bike, but that is a major problem then for the Australian rider. He was the pre-race favourite, and that is now going to cause him all sorts of issues. Vasil Kirienka out on the course because he is the rider with Jerome Capel, who is the likely rider, along with Tony Martin, to figure in the results, and we'll see how Rowan Dennis does as this race unfolds. The arrival then of Jerome Capel. Is this going to be the fastest time? The time to beat is 1 hour, 3 minutes, 51.87. Jerome Capel now heading towards the conclusion of this individual time trial. Is he going to go top of the leaderboard? It's been Biablowski who's been in the hot seat for so long. This looks like it is going to be the fastest time. The Frenchman has set a blistering pace out on this course, and now we are seeing Jerome Capel racing to the conclusion of this individual time trial. He looks like he's going to go top of the leaderboard. He's still got the ability to sprint. It is going to be France at the top of the board. Jerome Capel, the first rider under 1 hour 3 minutes, 1 hour 2, 56.07, 51.005 kilometers an hour. Jerome Capel is now in the gold medal position for France. Look at this. Kirienka goes through in 49 minutes, 30.67. Vasil Kirienka is the fastest rider to that intermediate time split, and he could be looking at the gold medal. Here is Tony Martin as he makes his way now to this intermediate time split. It's not his day so far. Here goes Castroviejo. Well, he must have absolutely roared his way up that final climb. He looks like he's going to be just outside the time of Jerome Capel, but he's going to be in the silver medal position. What a ride by Castroviejo. Now we get the chance to see Adriano Malori. Adriano Malori, the rider from Italy, looking down on the helicopter shot. We know that he is very, very close to the time of Vasil Kirienka. Kirienka and Malori, look at this. They are pretty much equal on time, and I think Malori will go faster than Kirienka up this final climb. The World Championship gold medal could be going to Adriano Malori. Here he goes, the Italian rider. This is very, very fast indeed. Adriano Malori is lifting this one for the Italians. The time to beat now is 1 hour, 2 minutes, 56.07. And Adriano Malori is looking like he could beat and eclipse the time of Jerome Capel. He's trying to give it some more, but you can see he's absolutely on his limit. Hitting a bump, his head went all over the place. He's got now just about 30 seconds to reach the finish line. Here's Malori, he's tying up all over the place. He's in all sorts of hurt, suffering so badly, hits another bump. Adriano Malori, the Italian Tifosi are going to hit the roof. Malori goes top of the leaderboard. 1 hour, 2 minutes, 38.53. What a ride by Adriano Malori, the Italian rider who was the Italian under-23 world champion. What a ride by Adriano Malori. Rowan Dennis now racing to the conclusion. You have to say that this man was the pre-race favourite, and a bike change could have cost him that. He will not be in the medals. He's just going to be outside. Rowan Dennis is going to finish in a time of 1 hour, 3 minutes 37, fourth place for Rowan Dennis. Now we cast our eyes back, because here is Vasil Kirienka. The time to beat is 1 hour, 2 minutes, 38.53. It is a race to the line. Vasil Kirienka trying now to take the World Championship individual time trial. We've still got to Moulin to finish, and Martin, he does it. 1 hour, 2 minutes, 29.45. And it's now Kirienka in the gold medal position. In second place right now is Adriano Malori. What a ride by Vasil Kirienka today. 1 hour, 2 minutes, 29.45. His average speed, 51.368 kilometers an hour. But here goes Tony Martin racing up to the conclusion of this individual time trial. To get on the podium, he needs to beat 1 hour, 2 minutes, 56. He's not going to do that. The world champion is Vasil Kirienka of Belarus. 1 hour, 2 minutes, 29.45. The silver medalist is Adriano Malori of Italy. The bronze medal goes to France, Jerome Capel. And all of those riders, perhaps not riders that everyone would have spoken about before the start, bar perhaps Adriano Malori. Tony Martin then, for the first time in 6 years, will not be on the podium of the individual time trial. He is going to have had a day he doesn't want to remember. He hits the line, 1 hour, 3:46.18. Tony Martin, 7th place in the World Championships. Vasil Kirienka of Belarus is the world individual time trial champion. He pulls on the rainbow bands. Vasil Kirienka is the world time trial champion.